First of all, remember to click on Subtitle Captions. Let's jump right into it. Start by creating a square shape. Next, select the square layer and press T to open the opacity parameter. Press the Alt key without releasing, then click the timer icon next to the opacity to activate the expression. Type random 50. After insert the expression, you can examine the layer automatic return random value from 0 to 50 on the opacity parameter on each frame. Now we have changed the random value to 100. And the layer returns the random value from 0 to 100 on the opacity parameter on every frame. Let's look at them side by side for a comparison. Let's take a close-up look on each frame and see how the opacity value randomly returns. Thanks for your time. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you love it. Had a great day.